My first visit to Bangalore Culinary Academy. I'm sorry to say that I missed coming here earlier. It's an amazing place. Checked out the infrastructure here. Two different campuses. Really excellent. I remember some academies which I visited in Europe and Singapore. It reminds me of those academies, and it's a world-class facility what they have here. And I also interacted with the students. I gave away some of these certificates and prizes. Students, I could see the vibrant and really very active. And I know their eagerness to do things was very, very visible. I also met the faculty here, the promoters and all that. So I see a great bunch of people here. I think, yes, you might have infrastructure on one hand, but you should have a great bunch of people to use the infrastructure right effectively. I think they are really doing an excellent job. I am very sure that in future I will be associating with them on behalf of the Indian Federation of Culinary Associations. I wish them all very well and all the best for